There's only one learning objective for TR-11. Be able to find the distance between 2 points in a plane. Determine the lengths of all 3 sides of triangle PQR. I guess this is 3 problems in one. Pause to work them out if you like. Completing a few problems will give you confidence. Here's the general distance formula. I'll reveal the answers one at a time, showing the mathematical steps, but not reading them out loud, since once you set up the equation correctly, the rest is just algebra. So, start with line segment PQ and pause if you like. The length is 16.6 units. We're not given specific units of measure in the problem, but please let your instructor know that you're finding a length, so include a unit, even if it's just the word unit. Now line segment QR. The length is 12.3 units. And for line segment RP, the length is 13.4 units. If you can solve for all these lengths, then this type of problem won't give you any trouble in homework or on tests.